As the winter chill sweeps across vast landscapes, certain creatures prepare for a deep, restorative slumber, hibernation. Bears are perhaps the most well-known hibernators, but did you know that small mammals like dormice and groundhogs also spend months curled up in secluded burrows? During hibernation, they drastically reduce their metabolic rates and body temperatures to conserve energy in the barren, icy wilderness. The Arctic ground squirrel takes it a step further, entering a state of torpor where its body temperature can drop below freezing. These remarkable adaptations showcase nature's ingenious strategies for survival in even the most unforgiving climates.